insects in midair. But they have no way of flushing their prey out of the grass. Never mind. Perhaps there are bigger opportunities ahead. What about an ostrich? The heaviest bird of all. This time, there's more than enough transport to go around. Soon, almost every ostrich has its own passenger. But free riders are only tolerated for so long. What the bee-eaters really need is a creature so big it won't even notice them. Nothing cuts a swathe through grass like an African bull elephant. As more insects are stirred up, the competition intensifies.